Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video I'm going to show you the items that I purchased from Club Factory app. This time I purchased only bags from them, so this is a bags edition video. Without any further delay, let's move on to the haul. The first bag I'm going to show you is this cute bow red colored sling bag. The main plus point of this bag is it is a very sturdy bag. I like my sling bags to be very sturdy, so this is my favorite bag from my purchase. The strap came separately placed inside the bag and we have to manually tie a knot. I am okay with this. It is a very comfortable bag, good quality and perfect stitching. It has a magnetic closure. I have no complaints in this bag. This bag is priced at Rs 262. I would definitely rate this bag 5 stars out of 5. The second bag is this cute PU leather embroidery bag. It is black in color and has white and red flower embroidery on top. And on the back side there is small cell phone pocket. It has a magnetic closure which is safe. This has a wire kind of a rounded strap and it also has a shoulder support. It has a very long strap, you can adjust it by tying a knot. While ordering I thought this bag would be little bigger in size, but it is just the length of my palm. That's the only disadvantage of this bag. It is available in brown and grey color. Bought this for 280 rupees. 4 stars -1 for its size. The next bag is again a sling bag. While placing the order, I thought this bag would be sturdy because that's how it is shown in the picture. It is not at all sturdy and looks very cheap. I wanted a beige sling bag for a very long time and I ordered this one. It is very small in size, shorter than the height of my palm. The strap came separately placed inside the bag. We have to tie a knot through this hole. The strap is also not in good quality. Very much disappointed with this bag. Bought this for Rs 200, 2 stars. The next one is a backpack. It is black in color with golden zip closure. It has 3 compartments, 1 tiny compartment, 1 medium compartment and 1 large compartment. It is very comfortable for a short trip or picnic. It is a good quality material. It can hold a lot of stuffs. I guess it is also waterproof. There is an adjustable strap. Very nice, stitching is good finishing. No complaints about this one. Bought this for 306 rupees, 5 stars. The next one is this beautiful chain strap grey colored sling bag. I wanted a chain strap for a very long time, but all the chain strap bags are kinda costly in the Club Factory app. Luckily I saw this on a flash sale at half of its original price, so I couldn't resist myself from buying this. This is a bucket bag. It has no closure to it, but you can manage it by keeping stuffs in a pouch and placing that pouch inside this. The strap has placed inside the bag. It has a lobster hook to it. It has grey lace detailing going on. I have to mention the chain strap is of very good quality and it feels heavy. It has a lobster hook which is safe. I hope it doesn't oxidize after few uses. Bought this for 206 rupees at flash sale. The actual price of the product is 408 rupees. 5 stars for sure. I read a lot of reviews on Club Factory app about this bag and this is one of the best selling bags in Club Factory app. I used this bag a couple of times and it carried a lot of weight. But you can't use this as a shoulder bag because the shoulder strap is too short. But there is another long strap which you can attach to the bag and carry it like a sling bag. It has a cute tassels. The strap is tan in color and the bag is black in color. Lovely combination of colors. The bag has a magnetic closure. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this bag. It comes with a small matching pouch which has a zip in it. Bought this for 334 rupees. 5 stars definitely. I thought I should also include this cute lunch bag in this Club Factory bags edition video. This is a lunch bag which can keep your food warm for a good amount of time. It has some silver material inside this bag which is supposed to keep your food warm. Yes, it does keep the food warm for 4 hours. That's actually a good thing for this price range. It is baby pink in color and has cat eyes in it. It can pretty much hold 3 to 4 medium sized different boxes. Bought this for 173 rupees. 5 stars for sure. And also, not to forget, I received this cute sticker from Club Factory as a free gift. You will get this for every order you place at Club Factory. It says Madurai, which is my favorite city. Madurai serves the best South Indian cuisine, so this sticker is very close to my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you enjoyed, do also check out my other Club Factory hauls, which are sunglasses, earrings, necklaces, rings, bags and whatnot. Do check the description box for links. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.